What is finance, really? The word finance sounds big. It sounds complex and sophisticated. It sounds like something only rich people talk about. But finance is not just about hedge funds or huge money. Finance is what runs a home. Finance is what feeds a family. Finance is what pays for your child's education or your parents' peace. We all use money. We all earn it. But very few of us are ever taught how to save it, grow it, and protect it. You've worked hard your whole life, and you're still wondering, why does it always feel like it's not enough? They told you to work harder. You did, and maybe deep down, you've started to believe. Textbooks never taught money. Schools never teach investment lessons. Parents never knew it themselves. They never taught you how to manage money, how to save smartly, how to invest wisely, how to break the cycle. It doesn't matter if you earn 15,000 or 1.5 lakh a month. You deserve to understand how money works. You deserve to learn how to make it work for you. Because financial literacy should not be a luxury. It should be a right. When you save $500 for your child's school fees, when you choose a home-cooked meal over dining out because you're thinking ahead. Finance is not about making millions. Finance is not about making rich people richer. I am not here to teach the rich how to become richer. Finance is the freedom. It is about teaching everyday people how to save, how to build, and how to dream again. I'm here to teach the people who were never taught how money works. How to save, how to invest, how to live with security, and how to pass on peace to the next generation. It's about making what you have work for you. Wealth doesn't begin with money, it begins with a plan. Finance is the freedom to breathe, not the pressure to chase. Investing is not about more, it's about enough. I was never taught finance. I didn't come from wealth. I didn't even understand the word finance. I didn't grow up with books, or bank advice, or stock tips. But I knew one thing: I wanted a better life. So I started learning, slowly, and what I discovered is this: finance is not just for the rich. It is for every dreamer, every worker, every mother, every student. If no one taught you finance, then let this channel be your classroom. I created finance for the street, for people like us, who want to grow something beautiful with the little they have. Let's learn to save. Let's learn to invest. Let's build our dreams. You don't need a lot of money. You need patience, consistency, and the courage to begin.